विनयात् ददाति पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति धनात् धर्मं ततः सुखं ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ವಿನಯ ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಧನವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ದಾಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ವಿನಯ, ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ, ಸಂಪತ್ತು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Good morning. First of all the very best for your future. I got told lots of stories more. Yes, today no story for that. Today no.
Lots of stories from these people.
No, they are not telling any story to me. 9th grade people, they are telling stories. They are only listening. 10th grade.
Who said, ma'am? Who said, ma'am? Shweta. ನೀನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು?
Good evening, sir. There are lots of teachings. Everyone, all the teachers, parents, everyone will give you. Only thing from my side that build a strong character for yourself in your life that will help you in all the ups and downs in it. Because it will be there. Ups and downs are there. So it will be. Just build a strong character. It will make automatically you get peace in everyone. Right? All the best.
Expecting right from you when the teachers are expecting
Ma'am,
right from you.
decide you
I
can.
know that you can give your best, so give your best for your exams. And before I say something, please wherever you go, maintain discipline, have manners. That is going to keep you high. Every time you see someone, respect them. Be always smiling. It will make your future great. I don't know why I'm getting so much. Yes, I don't know, but very much. I didn't have so much bonding with you because only for 1 year I'm with you. You have no bonding with me. Do it. All the best to everyone.
Okay, nothing behind that. It's not that, like, don't think wrong about me. Okay, so everyone, all the best for your exam. Okay, instead of reading, please write and practice. That is, reading 10 times, writing 5 times and practice. That gives you what? That will settle in your mind very fast. Okay, so all the best for your future. Okay, think about your future. Means think about the subjects. Okay, whichever you are interested, please go to that field. Now, if you go to this art field, you can go to even Chitrakala Parishad. You know about Chitrakala Parishad? After 10th standard, even you go to the art field also. Drawing if you are interested.
Anand.
After 10th standard, you have opening seats opening in the Chitrakala Parishad. Okay, it's not that you have to go to subject field only. Even animation field. So many fields are there. After 10th standard, you can opt it. Okay, please opt that. Okay, wherever you are having talent, okay, please opt that field. Okay, it's not that you have to go to subjects only. There are so many fields that you can opt it. Okay, thank you. All the best for your future.